Hello and welcome here for a Beaufort County report. I am here with Miss Lise Sundrla, and we are down here at the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park for an exciting festival. Lise, can you tell me more about what we're doing down here?
Today is a celebration and commemoration of Lafayette, the Marquis de Lafayette's visit to Beaufort in 1825. He came to America at the request of President James Monroe, and he was considered a hero of the nation, having fought in the Revolutionary War and actually was able to achieve the deciding battle that led to the formation of our United States. So we are commemorating him 200 years to the date of his historic visit to Beaufort in 1825.
So do you know more about what he did whenever he came to Beaufort?
Yeah, we were able to find newspaper articles from the time, the Charleston Mercury and the Southern Patriot, which detailed exactly what happened during his visit. He was supposed to have arrived by 10 in the morning by boat, but unfortunately ran aground on a sandbar. And as a result had to wait 12 hours before the tide changed and did not get here until almost midnight. And so what had been intended to be a day-long festival ended up being a quick 3 hours, and he left Beaufort then for North Augusta and then to Savannah to continue his trip to the 24 states at that time. We of course, we're not reenacting this at night,
Yeah.
but we are recreating the day as it would have been intended to happen.
Can you tell me a little more about everything that is going to be happening down here at the park today?
Yeah, so we are starting with Lafayette's arrival by boat to the day dock in the waterfront park, and with that will be a welcoming salute by cannon, then a greeting of Lafayette, his son, his valet, and even his dog Quiz, which had been given to him as a gift on his travels through the United States. And we will have our SAR color guard. We will have our St. Andrew's Society bagpipers. We will have Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Lyon of the Marine Corps Air Station, who will be greeting Lafayette at the dock and the ramp. And then our mayor will lead him onto the green, and we'll have a 13-gun salute by the SAR. And following that, we'll go through a welcoming ceremony and then head over for a parade lineup. And the parade procession, which will be led by the bagpipers and the color guard, leading Lafayette on a carriage, will head down Bay Street. And we'll stop at the John Mark Vidier House for comments and addresses from the portico of the John Mark Vidier House. And then we open up activities on Scott Street for the afternoon until 3 o'clock.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of action happening
Yes,
today. Sounds
there
very
is.
exciting. I'm assuming you're gonna not get the stuck on the sandbar part of the arrival.
Yes, that is the intent, is that it's going to be smooth sailing, and we will proceed with just a day of fun, ending tonight with a sort of recreation of the ball at the Beaufort History Museum Arsenal courtyard, where they'll have dancing with Lafayette.
Great. All right, Lise. Well, that sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank
Yeah.
you for taking time to do the interview, and stay tuned, and we will have some more coverage of this event.